Imagine a vast, open land. The sky stretches out forever, a brilliant blue. This is Mongolia, the land of eternal blue sky. Picture rolling hills covered in green grass. Horses gallop freely, their manes flowing in the wind. In the distance, you see snow-capped mountains reaching for the sky. This is a land of extremes. Scorching deserts bake under the summer sun. Crystal-clear lakes shimmer in hidden valleys. Mongolia is a place where you can truly feel free. The air is clean and fresh. The silence is broken only by the sounds of nature. This is a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of modern life. Come, discover the beauty of Mongolia. Mongolia has a rich history and a unique culture. For centuries, nomadic people have roamed the steppes. They live in harmony with nature. Their lives are deeply connected to their animals and the land. The Mongolian people are known for their hospitality. They welcome visitors with open arms and warm smiles. They share their food, their homes, and their stories. Mongolia is also the land of Genghis Khan. He united the Mongol tribes and created a vast empire. His legacy still resonates throughout the country. From ancient temples to colorful festivals, Mongolia offers a glimpse into a fascinating culture. It's a culture that has survived for centuries, passed down through generations. Are you tired of the ordinary? Do you long for adventure? Then Mongolia is calling you. This is a destination for those who want to experience something different. Here you can ride horses across the steppes. You can sleep under the stars in a traditional gear. You can learn about a culture that is both ancient and vibrant. Mongolia is a photographer's dream. The landscapes are breathtaking. The light is magical. Every moment is an opportunity to capture the beauty of this land. But Mongolia is more than just a pretty picture. It's a place where you can challenge yourself. You can push your limits. You can discover the true meaning of freedom. Mongolia is a land of hidden gems, a place where ancient traditions meet breathtaking natural beauty. From bustling cities to peaceful monasteries, there is something for everyone. The vibrant culture and rich history are evident in every corner. Start your journey in Ulaanbaatar, the capital city. Here, modernity and tradition coexist harmoniously. Visit Sukhbaatar Square, the heart of the city. This central square is a hub of activity and a great place to start exploring. Explore the Gandan Techinlan Monastery, a center of Buddhist worship. Witness the monks in their daily rituals and feel the serene atmosphere. Learn about Mongolia's history at the National Museum. The exhibits here offer a deep dive into the country's past, from ancient artifacts to modern history. Venture into the Gobi Desert, a land of extremes. This vast desert is home to unique wildlife and stunning landscapes. Marvel at the flaming cliffs, where dinosaur eggs were first discovered. The cliffs glow a fiery red at sunset, creating a mesmerizing view. Experience the silence of the Khuvsgul Lake sand dunes. These towering dunes offer a sense of peace and solitude. Escape to the tranquility of Khuvsgul Lake, known as the Blue Pearl of Mongolia. The crystal-clear waters and surrounding mountains make it a perfect retreat. Meet the Sartan reindeer herders who live a traditional nomadic lifestyle. Their way of life is a fascinating glimpse into Mongolia's cultural heritage. Go kayaking, horse riding, or hiking in the surrounding mountains. The diverse landscapes offer endless opportunities for adventure. Journey back in time at the Orkhon Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The valley is rich with historical significance and ancient ruins. Explore the ruins of Karakorum, the ancient capital of the Mongol Empire. Walking through these ruins, you can almost hear the echoes of the past. Visit the Erdene Zoo Monastery, a treasure trove of Buddhist art and architecture. The intricate designs and sacred artifacts are truly awe-inspiring. No visit to Mongolia is complete without going to the Terelj National Park. Explore its unique rock formations like Turtle Rock and the Praying Lama Rock. The park is also home to the Genghis Khan statue complex, a striking 40-meter-tall stainless steel statue of Genghis Khan on horseback. These are just a few of the many incredible places to discover in Mongolia. Each destination offers a unique experience waiting to be explored. Embrace the Mongolian spirit. Mongolia, a land of vast steppes and rugged mountains. invites you to explore its rich cultural heritage and breathtaking landscapes. No trip to Mongolia is complete without experiencing the country's unique culture. The heart of Mongolia lies in its nomadic traditions, where families move with the seasons, herding livestock and living in harmony with nature. Immerse yourself in the nomadic way of life. Witness the daily routines of herding, milking, and tending to animals, which have remained unchanged for centuries. Spend a night in a ger, a traditional felt tent. These portable homes are ingeniously designed to withstand the harsh Mongolian climate, providing warmth in winter and coolness in summer. Share a meal with a nomadic family and listen to their stories. Their hospitality is legendary, and you'll gain insights into their way of life and the challenges they face. Witness the excitement of the Naadam Festival, Mongolia's biggest celebration. This vibrant event showcases the nation's traditional sports and cultural heritage. Watch wrestling, horse racing, and archery competitions. These three manly games are a testament to the strength, skill, and endurance of the Mongolian people. Admire the colorful costumes and the festive atmosphere. The Naadam Festival is a feast for the senses, with music, dance, and traditional attire adding to the spectacle. Experience the thrill of eagle hunting, an ancient tradition that is still practiced today. These majestic birds are trained to hunt foxes and hares, showcasing the deep bond between hunter and eagle. Watch in awe as trained eagles soar through the sky, hunting for prey. The precision and grace of these birds in action is truly mesmerizing. Indulge in the flavors of Mongolian cuisine. The food is hearty and flavorful, reflecting the nomadic lifestyle and the need for sustenance in a harsh environment. Try booze, steamed dumplings filled with meat. These delicious morsels are a staple of Mongolian cuisine and a must-try for any visitor. Savor the taste of korkog, a traditional dish cooked with hot stones. The meat is tender and infused with the smoky flavor of the stones, making it a unique culinary experience. And don't leave without trying airag, fermented mare's milk. This traditional drink is a symbol of Mongolian hospitality and a refreshing way to end your culinary journey. Navigating your Mongolian journey. The best time to visit Mongolia is during the summer months, from June to August, when the weather is warm and sunny. During this period, you can enjoy a variety of outdoor activities, from hiking and horseback riding to exploring the vast steppes and deserts. The summer months also bring vibrant festivals and cultural events, offering a glimpse into the rich traditions of the Mongolian people. However, be prepared for cool nights, especially in the desert and mountains. Temperatures can drop significantly after sunset, so packing warm clothing is essential. Enjoying a campfire under the starry sky can be a magical experience, but make sure to have enough layers to stay comfortable. Getting around Mongolia can be an adventure in itself. The country's rugged terrain and vast distances make travel both challenging and exciting. Whether you're navigating the open steppe or winding through mountain passes, each journey offers breathtaking views and a sense of freedom. Domestic flights are available to major cities and towns, making it easier to cover long distances quickly. These flights can save you time and provide stunning aerial views of the diverse landscapes below. Buses and minivans connect smaller destinations, offering a more budget-friendly option for travelers. While the roads can be bumpy and the rides long, these journeys provide an opportunity to see the countryside up close and interact with locals. For a truly authentic experience, consider hiring a jeep and driver or embarking on a horse trekking expedition. These options allow you to reach remote areas that are inaccessible by regular vehicles, giving you a deeper connection to the land and its people. Accommodation options in Mongolia range from basic guest houses to comfortable hotels in Ulaanbaatar. In the capital city, you'll find a variety of lodging choices to suit different budgets and preferences, ensuring a comfortable stay. In the countryside, you can stay in traditional gers, offering a unique and immersive experience. These round, felt-lined tents provide a cozy and authentic way to experience Mongolian hospitality and culture. Staying in a ger allows you to connect with nature and enjoy the simplicity of nomadic life. Pack for all types of weather, including warm layers for cool evenings and rain gear for unexpected showers. Mongolia's weather can be unpredictable, so it's best to be prepared for a range of conditions. Layering your clothing will help you stay comfortable throughout the day. Don't forget essentials like sunscreen, insect repellent, and a hat. The sun can be intense, especially at higher altitudes, so protecting your skin is crucial. Insect repellent will help keep bugs at bay, ensuring a more pleasant travel experience. A hat will provide shade and keep you cool during your adventures. Respecting the nomadic way of life. When traveling in Mongolia, it's important to be respectful of the local culture and customs. Always ask for permission before taking photos of people. Remove your shoes before entering a ger. Accept food and drink when offered as a sign of respect. Offer gifts with your right hand or with both hands. Avoid walking in front of someone who is praying or making offerings. Refrain from whistling inside a ger, as it is considered bad luck. By being mindful of these customs, you can ensure a more meaningful and respectful travel experience. Answer the call of the wild. Mongolia is more than just a destination. It's a journey into the heart of adventure. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature, experience a different way of life, and create memories that will last a lifetime. So, what are you waiting for? Discover the magic of Mongolia. If you enjoyed this travel guide to Mongolia, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.